Best Sport Touring Motorcycle, BMW G310GS Touring Review. Can small be mighty? In a market where bigger often means better, the BMW G310GS dares to challenge that notion with a lightweight platform that promises big adventure in a small package. Known as BMW Motorrad's most accessible GS model, the G310GS brings adventure touring styling and ergonomics to a beginner-friendly and budget-conscious audience. But in the world of sport touring, can this 313 cubic centimeters machine really deliver? The answer, according to both seasoned riders and content creators on YouTube, is a surprising yes. Small can be mighty. Touring roots in a compact form. Launched as part of BMW's effort to open its GS lineup to more riders, the G310GS boasts a liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing 34 horsepower and 28 Nm of torque. While those numbers may seem modest, the bike's relatively light 169 kg weight, upright ergonomics, and long travel suspension make it ideal for commuting, weekend escapes, and even multi-day touring with the right setup. Its comfortable seat height, 835 mm, adjustable levers, and wide handlebars offer surprisingly solid road manners even on longer journeys. Riders often pair the bike with soft panniers, a tailbag, and a taller windscreen to complete its transformation into a lightweight tourer. YouTube creators put it to the test. YouTube has played a pivotal role in showing what the G310GS is truly capable of in real-world touring scenarios. The popular video India to Bhutan on a G310GS lightweight touring adventure by Wander Biker hit over 1.2 million views, highlighting the bike's endurance across mountain passes, gravel trails, and rough terrain. In North America, content creator Motokari posted touring 1,000 miles on my G310GS, pros and cons, which quickly amassed 450,000 plus views. Her positive experiences with minimal fatigue and great fuel economy, 30-35 km/L, resonated with solo riders looking for budget adventure touring options. Strengths that resonate with new riders. The G310GS thrives in areas such as affordability, one of the most budget-friendly adventure tourers from a premium brand. Fuel efficiency, long range on a small tank, perfect for budget travelers. Ease of use, ideal for beginners or those downsizing from heavier bikes. Global service network, backed by BMW's worldwide support. For riders who want the GS look and spirit without the size or cost of the R1250GS, the G310GS delivers an approachable path into touring. What it misses. The bike does have limitations. It struggles at highway speeds, especially when fully loaded. Overtaking power is limited, and wind protection is basic without aftermarket upgrades. However, for riders with realistic expectations, it still delivers a thrilling and capable ride. Conclusion. The BMW G310GS proves that touring isn't just for the big bikes. With thoughtful accessories and planning, it offers riders a compact, efficient, and fun platform to experience the joy of long-distance riding. As YouTube continues to amplify its underdog status, it's clear that small really can be mighty, especially when the open road calls.